This is a box opening that I'm doing for some things I got from Volks, and I'm not in the picture because I'm still in my house coat. But I'm so excited, I just had to do this now, and I feel like the items are more important than me anyway. So anyway, this is my package. I got it this morning from Volks, and you know how hard it is to find headphones for your doll. I've been wanting some headphones for my dolls for a long time, and I was able to get them on the Volks website this past weekend, and they're here today. So here they are. So I'm gonna open this so we can take a look at them. Also got a couple other things, but the headphones. It's all about the headphones. Okay, there we are. There we are. I'm gonna put this down here, and I'm just gonna erase the. Okay, that's just some paperwork. I had got some restringing string for my Super Dollfie. I'm not sure which one. I got a pair of socks. I got this little vest and shirt and tie set for my Williams. And here are the earphones. Earphones. Yay. Earphones. So let's take a look at them. They're quite to be expensive, but I hope I like them. Of course, if not, I can always sell them, I'm pretty sure. Okay, I accidentally stopped the camera. So anyway, here we are. Here are the headphones for my dolls. Really nice. They're pretty nice. That's that one. Look at this one. These are red. Now these are really pretty. So finally, my dolls have headphones. Yay! So anyway, that's my little short box opening. I'm gonna put on my dolls and now I'll attach some pictures to this video with them on my dolls. Thanks for watching.